Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell e-commerce product on the Jiji marketplace and make close to 100k on a weekly basis. Now if you have to look at Jiji, you see that they are generating over 5.5 million web visits on a monthly basis. Now this is a traffic you want to take advantage of. So all you simply need to do is just look for a winning product that is doing well already, buy this product at a cheap price, ship this product down to your country, then sell them for free on Jiji and make close to 100k on a weekly basis. All right, so all you need to have in place is just the product. Then you also need a logistic company that is going to help you deliver the product, and you're good to go. All right, so if this is something you like to do, if this is kind of money you like to make selling product on Jiji, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so for you to start selling your e-commerce product on the Jiji platform and make money successfully, there are a couple of things you're going to be needing. First, you need to have your product in place, and after that you need a logistic company that is going to help you dispatch this product once your customers start placing the order for the product. So once you have these two in place, then you are good to go. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to head over to any Chinese wholesale website. Take for example AliExpress or Alibaba, then search for the product you want to sell. So in my previous upload on my YouTube channel, I did a video on how you can research hot selling product that you can buy at a cheap price, then ship to your country and sell in your country. Okay, so I'm going to have a link to the product somewhere around here. So what you want to do is you want to watch the video and see how you can search for hot selling products that you can buy at a cheap price, then ship them down to your country. So let's assume you've discovered the product you want to sell. So the next thing you want to do is you want to have the product shipped down to your country at a faster period of time. Okay, so normally if you are buying this product on AliExpress shipping time takes around 30 days to 45 days. So what you want to do in your own case, you want to have them ship the product down to your country within 2 weeks. So I did a video on how you can import your product faster from China. So I'm also going to add a link to the video somewhere around there. So what you want to do is you want to watch the video also and see how you can have your product shipped to your country at a fast period of time. So once you have your product shipped to your country, you have your hot selling product, you have them shipped already, and you have an account with any logistic company you're going to be using. In my own case, what I'm using is Jiji, so you could also search for any logistic company you want to use. So just make sure you have a logistic company in place that is going to help you dispatch your product. So once you have all of this in place, the next thing you want to do is you want to go over to Jiji.ng. All right, so if you don't have an account already, all you simply need to do is just simply sign up on the platform, create an account with them. Creating an account with them is absolute for free, and you can also sell for free on the platform. So once your account is ready and once you are logged in, you're going to see something like this. So what you want to do now is you want to come over here, then click on sell. All right, so once you click on sell, it's going to ask you to choose the category of the product you want to sell. All right, so I'm going to be posting a product in the health and beauty niche. All right, so what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then look for the category. So in my own case, it's health and beauty. So I'm going to click on health and beauty right here. So I'm also going to choose the subcategory, which is going to be bait and body here. So I'm going to click on bait and body. So after that, I'm going to click on location. So depending on the location you want to be selling the product, all right, so you can just choose the location here. So if it's going to be Abuja, if it's going to be Lagos State, if it's going to be Ogun State or your state, all right. So what I want to do is I want to scroll down, then I'm going to click on Oyo State. All right, so after that, I'm going to scroll down, then choose the local government here. All right, so I'm going to scroll down, then look for okay, let me simply just go with Ibadan here. All right, so after that, what you want to do is you want to add a photo of the product you want to sell. All right, so I uploaded a photo already, so I'm going to re-upload it. So what you want to do is you want to click on this plus icon here. So it's going to redirect you to your system. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to have it upload. So I'm going to add another one, so you can upload more than one images. All right, so what I want to do is I want to choose another one. So I'm going to choose this, then upload then add another one, then upload. So your own case, you can easily upload all of the images. I'm just trying to show you how to go about it. So after that, what you want to do is you want to click on next here. So I'm going to click on next. So it's going to ask you to enter the title of the product, then choose the type of the product, then enter the description of the product. So what you want to do is, now the title of the product is very important. Why? This is because the traffic you're going to be generating is going to be organic traffic. So the traffic you're going to be generating is going to be coming from people that are searching for the product you want to sell. So you want to make sure that the title you're going to be adding here is very correct. So what I want to do now is I want to search for the product first on the internet to see how the product looks like on the internet. So the title of the product I want to sell is slimming body cream. All right, so this is the title and this is the product I want to sell. So I'm going to see how the product looks like on the internet. So the first website ranking this product is Amazon. So the title here is slimming cream for tummy, abdomen, belly and waist. All right, so if you have to scroll down, then check the next one, you see that it's Jumia. So the title here is slimming cream at available in Nigeria. So if you scroll to the right hand side, you see titles and you see the volume of searches for this product. Now this is to show you that people are searching for this kind of product. So looking at this slimming body cream here, so if you scroll down, you see that the volume for this is 1,600 per month. So this is the average of people that are searching for this product on a monthly basis. So these are the kind of things you want to put into consideration before choosing any product you want to sell on the Jiji platform. Now if you scroll down again, what you want to do is you want to take note if people are selling this product on the Jiji platform already. So you have to scroll down, then check if Jiji is ranking for this product already. So now this is Jiji website. So the one we have here is body slimming cream. So I'm going to open this, then see the kind of products they are selling. All right, so as you can see, the product they have here is Max Mandy. So this is not what we are looking for. So okay, this is similar. This is skin whitening tea. So this is not the product we are looking for. So as you can see here, there is no body slimming tea. So what this means is that when you start selling this product, you're going to rank easily for this product because this is the exact product and this is what you're going to rank for. Now what we have here is body slimming cream, but when I open it, the product here are not the actual product. So this means when you create a product for this keyword, you're going to rank easily for this keyword. So traffic that you are generating for this keyword that is going to Gigi, it is your product that they are going to see, and you'll be able to generate more sales because you have less competition for this keyword. So what you want to do is you want to do keyword research for the product. You want to make sure that not many people on Gigi is selling this product already. So if you are the only person selling this product on Gigi, you'll be able to generate free organic traffic to that product and you'll be making sales for free without running advert for the product. All right, so once you've determined the title of the product you want to do, all right, so the next thing is to write the description, then set the title also. So I'm going to open this one on Jumia. So what we are doing is to get an idea of what we're going to be using as our description. All right, so this is it on Jumia. So we can see the ones on Jumia is not the actual one we are selling, so this is also an advantage for you. All right, so if you check again, let me open the one of Amazon also so we can have an idea of what we want to do. All right, so slimming cream, so this is still similar to what we want to sell. All right, so what you want to do now is you want to come back here, then you want to set the title. All right, so the title is going to be slimming body cream. All right, so I'm going to come here, then make the title short, slimming body cream. All right, so if you want to add to it, you can check the one on Amazon. So this one is slimming cream for tummy, abdomen, belly and waist. So I can actually copy this, then edit it here. So I can make it slimming body cream. Okay, so I think that is too much, so I can make it slimming body cream for tummy and abdomen. a slimming body cream. So this is slimming body cream for tummy and abdomen. All right, so I'm going to make this capital letter, so just to make it okay. So slimming body cream for tummy and abdomen. So here I'm going to choose the type of the product. So the type of the product is body cream, so I'm going to select body cream. So the next thing I want to do is I want to enter the description. So I'm going to go over to Amazon to copy the description of the product. All right, so what I want to do is I want to scroll down, then look for the description of this product. All right, so this is the description of the product. So what I'm going to do is just copy the whole thing from here. Now the reason I'm doing this is because now this is what is ranking for this keyword already. So I'm going to come over here. Oh, let me quickly cancel this. All right, so I'm going to come over here, then paste it here. All right, so I'm going to copy everything, then go back to Jiji, then I'm going to paste the description here. So what I want to do is I just want to edit it. All right, so the first one is we recommend the cream to be used after shower. All right, so this is the first one. So the second one, so I'm going to make this come down. All right, so the third one, so this is the third one, then the fourth one, this is the fourth one. All right, so after that I'm going to enter the price. All right, so the price, I'm going to make the price to be 10,000 naira. All right, so if you want to bargain, if you want them to negotiate the price, you can click the negotiable. So I'm not going to make it negotiable. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. So now this is a promotion package they also have on Jiji. So if you want them to promote the product for you, so as you can see now, this offer is for 7 days and you're going to be paying 2,500 and this is 2,500, so which is going to last for 7 days, and this one, the one for 30 days, is going to be, this is 9,000 naira. So the premium, the boost premium is 15,000 naira for 1 month. So what you want to do in your case is you want to click on post ad. All right, so once you click on post ad, the product is going to be scheduled for review. So once they review the product, you'll be able, they are going to send an email notification to you that the product has been added to the platform. So from there, once people start searching for the product on the internet, your product page is going to come up, because Jiji is having a high domain authority already. So product you are listing on Jiji is going to rank faster because of the authority Jiji is having already. All right, so this is the simple way at which you can sell your product on the Jiji platform without running any adverts, then make sales on a daily basis. So if everything works perfectly, you could be making around 100k on a weekly basis selling your product from the comfort of your house. Just make sure that you have your logistic company in place that is going to help you dispatch this product when your customers start placing order for the product. All right, so this is basically how you can sell on the Jiji platform and make money on a weekly basis. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.